Benji here from Freedom Formula, and I'm excited to do this little mini series with you. I want to create an Amazon business that would make me $10,000 a month in just 30 minutes. And what does that mean? Jump over here to my Photoshop file. We want to find a product, because that's where most people are getting stuck. It's finding a product. I want to make sure you know how easy it is to find a product and that you're probably overthinking it at the moment. So step one, we're going to find a product. Step two, very, very crucial. Not many people teach this, and it's very, very important. And we go into detail about this in the training in the description below, how I made $124,000 in 30 days. So make sure you sign up for that training and catch us when we do our next training. You can use the link below to sign up for that. And that's 100% free. And we go in depth in how to launch an Amazon business that can make you money as well. So don't forget to do that. But basically, you need to improve the product in 2018. You need to make sure you have a superior offer to your competitors, so your customers are going to buy your product over the competitors in the market. Then we're going to use this improved product that we're going to design together, and we're going to send that to a supplier who can then source our product for as cheap as possible, as quickly as possible, and make sure that they're trustworthy. So I'm going to show you how I find that out. All this is going to be done in 30 minutes, and I know this takes 6 months sometimes for people to do, and it's basically what I want to show you is that's a waste of time. Don't let this take more than 2 weeks maximum. If I can do it in 30 minutes, this is all unplanned and all unscripted too. I have no idea what we're going to be selling. I have no idea what we are going to be sourcing and improving, and we don't know who the supplier is. So I'm excited to see where this does take us. I want to start at timer. So timer. Let's just grab one here. We're going to put 30 minutes on it. I want to make sure that pops up in the tab. It doesn't, so it's a better one that pops up so we don't have to keep coming back to that. Beep, 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 beep. 30 minutes. Yeah, there we go. So that's up. I'm going to start that in a second, but basically 3 phases. They're probably not going to be equally 10 minutes of each. Finding a supplier is going to be a little bit quicker. Finding a product will probably be the bulk of it, and then improving the product will be a medium-sized video. So this one, we are not logged in on Amazon, and all I'm going to use here is the Amazon search bar. And because I'm on 30-minute timer, I have a lot to teach and a lot to say, but I can't say it all here. So make sure you do sign up to that training in the description to get the in-depth version of this, the in-depth training that can really help you launch your product on Amazon. Because you're gonna see I'm gonna be having so much to say and so much to teach in just 30 minutes. It's really worth getting the long version of it. Okay, so let's start this timer. Start here, and I'm going to use this search bar, and I'm going to start typing in random letters, so JI, and just see what comes up. And what I'm looking for is, well, first of all, is what I'm saying I'm going to be describing for most of this time. These are search terms ranked by popularity. So if I type in something really long, like juggling, and then space, you can see the suggestions here are going to have a lot less volume than if I just typed in the letter J. So the more you type in here, the more letters and words you type in, the less demand. So it depends on your budget. If you have a high budget, go for less letters. If you have a lower budget, go for more letters. I'm going to work off $3,000 budget today. So we're going to go J-O. Let's see what comes up. Jojoba oil, probably too crowded. Jogger pants. Jojo bows. I don't know what that is, so we're going to have a look. It looks like it may be a patented product, but if it wasn't, it would probably be really good because it's really easy to ship. It's light, it's small, it doesn't do too much money. What's this one? It's a maker. You can make your own bows. Interesting. So there's people making money here. You can see it's a 7 out of 10. I'd be nervous that it was patented or trademarked, and I don't have time to look into that, so we're going to go somewhere else. We're going to go DI. You can see I'm typing random letters. Dinosaur toys. Dinosaur toys might be a good niche. Let's have a look. So Jungle Scout, that's what this extension is if you're not familiar with it. You can save 20% using the link in the description. I always pull it up, and again, I go into detail in other areas, in other videos, in the live training in the description. But I look for, make sure it has demand. You can see there's a lot of demand here, but I'd be scared that your National Geographic, Lego, they're all brand names. But there should be, yeah, there should be room for something like that. Join Toy, where are you there? It's on $28,000 a month with 128 reviews. could be a very, very viable product. This has got $73,000 a month with 18 reviews, and it's a dinosaur train track looking thing. Interesting. So this could be a good niche, and again, don't depend on that opportunity score. There's so many good niches that aren't a 7. We'll come back to this one. We'll keep it as a plan B. See what? BI. Bird seed, bird feeder could be good. Let's take a look at bird feeder. And again, what I'm looking for, I'm just trying to tell you what I'm looking for and what's going through my mind. I'm trying to just think out loud here so you can understand what I'm looking at and why I'm passing on things and clicking on other things. I want to look at things that aren't electronic. I want to look at things that sound very simple and sound a little bit different, like a bird feeder. It's a little bit of a quirky product, and that's normally where there's less demand. Here, however, it looks like there's very high demand and lots of reviews. I'm going to throw my phone over there so it stops making noise. A lot of reviews, but you can see there's a lot of market depth too. If you had a decent budget, you could come in here and do pretty well, but let's see if we can put a space on the end of there. And this is a good way to niche down, we call it. Bird feeder stand. Could be a different one. And this one will obviously be less competitive. Yeah, you can see less reviews, but obviously less demand here too. And I'm not going to waste too much time because we only have 6 more minutes to find a product. Let's go CU cutting board Kupshi. I don't know what that is. Sounds very weird. It is a type of beta. I don't know how to say that. I don't want to sell it, so I'm going to keep going. I'm just typing in basically a letter and then a letter afterwards that makes sense in a word. Nail polish, optical cable could be one. Optimind, that sounds like a brand name. Yes, it is. Let's go to MA. Makeup brushes, Marlon Bundo. Interesting. Maxi dress for women. Makeup organizer could be a good one. I think it's going to be too big. Mascara, MacBook Pro charger, maternity dress. Let's have a look at this. Will be pretty easy to make. We're gonna do a quick jungle scout over here. Yeah, you can see there's lots of low reviews, a lot of market depth. Look at all that market depth. It might be a little bit complicated to source because you got different sizes and colors and patterns that mums are gonna want. Oh, I want to sort by reviews to get that demand. We got 5 minutes left, so we're good. We could do a maternity dress together. Definitely the front runner. Lots of market depth. That's one thing I really want to stress. Look how many people are doing $20,000 a month, which means you don't need to be Mother B. This one here, which is the highest selling one at the moment. You don't need to be that one to make money. You could be the 30th best-selling dress and still be making $14,000 a month. That's the market depth that you really look for. As long as there's not too much competition, and you can see average reviews 137. There's not too much competition in there. You have people with 3 reviews making $40,000 a month. So a very viable product. Let's have a look at B. Blender bottle. That'd be too complex. BE. Beard trimmer. Beard oil. Beyblade. Beef jerky. I didn't know they still sell Beyblades. Bed frame. Too big. Beach towel. Too common. Let's go BA. Baby white. What if we typed in like, got a little bit more complex. Ball pump. That could be a good one. Pretty low price point. See if there's a lot of demand for it. Yeah, quite a low price point there. Decent amount of demand. Not too pretty. Let's see what else they got under ball. Ball of foot cushions. Ah, for the ball of your foot. I see what that is. That was a foot cushion. A ball of foot cushions. Looks pretty good. Look at that. I would be scared with these ones because these ones are really, really cheap to source. A lot of them are going to average low reviews, but a very viable product. Maybe a little bit cheap, but if you had a small budget, you could definitely make good money off that. Quite like these ball searches. Let's see if we can find another one. We got 3 minutes. Ball chair, ball gag, ball pits for toddlers, ball pump, ball joint press. I don't know what that is. Looks like a tool, so it might be a little bit heavy. But a high price point, which I like. Let's have a look. So by revenue, good market depth, about 10 of them here, and then a lot of them with low reviews. Look at that, 97, 30, pretty consistent. Let's see if these ones, it's just 61 bucks for that. That's incredible. And it's making $35,000. And again, this is this really good niche right here, and it's only a 6 out of 10. So don't depend on these Jungle Scout opportunity scores. Just use them as a reference. It's a listing quality score 4 of 4. There's only one left, which is interesting. It's only got 2 photos. How long has it been up? It's got 361 customer reviews. This app's called Keeper. Definitely get it. It's free on the Chrome store. So pretty consistently, I don't know why it spikes up like that. Let's get rid of this, this, and this. Oh, this and this. I'll put that price back in. Get rid of warehouse deals. Yeah, so you can see it jumps its price up. I guess that's when it's running out of stock. I'm not sure what happened here. That bounced up, but it's got a pretty consistent ranking, and then very average photos. So we got 2 minutes. I think let's go for this one. This is a cool looking product. I don't know how much we can source it for yet, but that looks, if there's a lot of people selling it, you can obviously source it for a profit, especially at a $61 selling point. It's not even Amazon Prime, so it's shipped by these people, which is pretty incredible. And it's selling well. Let's get that Jungle Scout thing back. $61, $37,000 a month in revenue. I'm not sure how much of that is profit, probably about $15,000 to $20,000, depending on how much we can source it for, which we'll have a look soon. It's been up for a long time, so it's well proven. It's just under optimized. It's not Prime. It's not anything. Let's see what else. I'm feeling a little bit rushed, but that's the exercise. I want to do more of these. It's actually kind of fun. It'd be fun to actually have to launch this product too. I might do that in the future. So $50, 97 reviews. Let's see once again what this was doing. I did like that maternity dress too, which I think we could do, but this will be easy to create a little brand around. And like, oh, what are they? The blue. They went for a blue case. So see how they differentiated? There's a bright blue case here. I like the black case. I think that's what we should do. 15,000 for just the simple red one at $45 and only 29 reviews. Like, there's a lot of opportunity, and that's what I want to point out. I do it in other videos, so please watch other videos and watch the training below because I don't have much time here. You don't need to beat people with 250 reviews to make $26,000 or 379 reviews to make this money. You can make this money with a low amount of reviews. You just need a good product and some good marketing, which we're teaching you here. We're teaching you in the training below. We're teaching you inside Amazon Secrets. So make sure you use this training and you get ahead of everyone. So I found a product. Let's go to Alibaba really quick. And what was it called? Ball joint press. Let's just make sure we can sell it profitably. Otherwise, I'll go to maternity dresses. Between $1 and $50 doesn't help. These broad ranges aren't great. This is about $30 to source. $25 to $35 to source here. Here we go. We got a black one for $25. That's great. 7-piece. It's got trade assurance. The black doesn't stand out as much as I thought it would, but I still think it would separate well, especially if we have a good like that. That's a good listing, and you get it for $22 to $30. Something like that would be cool. How long did I go down? $22.50. So you can start to get a real good feel of how much you can get this for. I think you can get it for about $20. I'm sure you can get it less than that because that's their display price. I just want to have a look at what else is here. What, we got 19 minutes. Okay, we gotta hurry. Cool. So I'm gonna go for this. I'm guessing we can get it for about a little less than 20. This is a great photo. We might use this as an example. A little less than $20 plus shipping on this thing. I don't know how heavy it is. I'll have to find out at another time. But I'm going to guess if we do air shipping. I don't know how big it is. What's it used for? What is a ballpoint? Ball joint press. Where was this? Don't want to click on an ad. Let's have a look at this. So these are good photos in here. We'd want to model something like that. So I don't know how big it is. Oh, it's 18 pounds, so it's really heavy. Whoa. Ball joint press. How to press a ball joint. Let's have a look.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to... So now...
Yeah, so it is. It's very big. Okay, we don't need to watch more. So it's going to be quite a bit to ship, so we'll be doing sea shipping for this one, and that will bring down the shipping for us. It'll probably take 30 days to arrive. Totally fine. We can wait 30 days. So we can buy them for $22.50. We're using, because we have a $3,000 budget, so we can buy quite a few of them here, much more than 50. And then we are going to sea ship them, which is going to take 30 days, but that's going to be much cheaper. It'd probably be I'm guessing about $4 extra each. So we're going to work on the price of $26.50. Let's have a look how much we can make real quick before we design our brand. So I like to go, where's that blue one? This one here. This guy is Prime. Interesting. So this guy is Prime, fulfilled by Amazon. Yeah, I was wrong with that. I just don't know where the big Prime logo is. So new little app I'm using. Product cost $22. Shipping cost $4. We can make $16 each. A monthly profit $8,000. Cool. I'm in. 100% in for this product. Let's go and design it and make it look really pretty.